Good morning, this is Dan with Dan's Everything Outdoors. Today, Blade and I are gonna hike Old Rag Mountain. It's a circuit loop. It's 9.4 miles long. It's a 2,400 feet approximate elevation climb to Old Rag. We're here at the Old Rag parking lot and we're gonna go up today and just enjoy the hike. So let's head out and let's go and enjoy the hike today. So this is the parking lot that you park at, and we've already checked in with the ranger station right up here, and there's a little porta potty and a privy up here that you can take care of your business right before you get on this hike. And we're going to be hiking with the Trail Life troop today as a group, so we're just meeting up with them now.
You all set? Yep. All right.
Let them know.
Go ahead. Lead away.
All right, let's go. Left the knife and bed the fork. Smashed up on the first.
Well, the muscles are starting to warm up. I'm just waiting for my muscles to get a little warmer before I pick up my pace. A lot of the group already ran ahead, but they'll slow down. We'll catch up to them. I think we're a little bit past a mile into this, and it's a good day for this actually. Cool temperatures, about 55 degrees right now. We're gonna have some about 15-mile-an-hour winds, I think, up top, and it's about another 12 degrees cooler. So I think as the temperature rises at the base, probably it's only gonna get down to, it's probably at 55 degrees up top, so it's not gonna be bad. Hopefully we get a good view, because we do have a lot of low-hanging clouds right now, and we're expecting rain. Catch my breath. This afternoon. It's always hard to talk and breathe at the same time.
Imagination would be hiking the green.
Over that big ridge over there, like that's sort of behind the clouds, is where we hiked on the large hike. I think that was on Friday when we went to Stony Man. That was the ridge we hiked up on. Old Rag is on the east side. I think we did see it at one point, but not at Stony Man.
Them clouds up there, hopefully someone's will clear off so we can see something cool rather than just fog.
Yeah.
Heading into the clouds now. Not sure if we'll have much view once we get up here beyond this cloud line.
I think we need to take like 2 or 3 hours of video and make all the people who didn't come watch it.
2 or 3 hours of fog, or just 2 or 3 hours of the trip?
2 or 3 hours of fog.
And then force them out.
Oh, see, and this is when this fog came through.
We're sitting here watching the actual clouds, or mist is starting to move up on us right here. You can actually see it. So I think we're over 3 miles into this hike now, and we're going over some rocks, but it's not the rock scramble.
Yeah, it is slippery.
Yeah, it's slippery. It's slippery.
That's it. Got it? There you go.
Yeah, thank you. Got it.
Just get up here!
These surfaces are terrible.
Okay,
I know, be careful.
Gotta try getting up here. It's so crazy.
Great view.
Come back.
Whoa! The view just opened.
I missed it.
Awesome.
Yeah, but I didn't see it get to clear away.
Clouds are blowing away. Oh wow.
Gardener.
Okay, now I gotta squeeze through there.
You can start going.
Not gonna be able to record this.
So
Yeah.
try to stay up along here.
Just came through that skinny spot there that Blade was recording. It's, you know, I don't want to fall off that edge there.
You mind your
Rocks,
footing, not the camera.
rocks are a little slippery.
Okay.
That's what I did, yeah. That way or that way? Certainly not getting any easier. Well, that was fun, but you can see that getting an idea of what the rock scramble is like and how you got to take your pack off on certain times and get help from other people. Probably more so today when the rocks are wet. And if it's raining, you probably shouldn't be hiking through here, but you're gonna need help from your partners to help get you through. I think all the boys are enjoying it. Windy. Real windy. I mean, rock scramble 25, go through this cave. It's kind of cool. Rather go under it than over it. Time to go up. Nice steps for us. Don't let that boulder drop in my head. There's an earthquake right now. Gotta crawl underneath this thing.
That is pretty cool.
Ta-da! Looking back at the rock. Down there. Still going up. We're gonna climb down this rock here, and then we gotta climb up to there. You can see some of the other teams already up there. It's getting tough, getting narrow up here. The guys coming from,
You need a hand.
slippery on these rocks right here.
Shade that. Wait, there's a blue bar.
My
Banged my finger up a little bit
in Swiss,
back there on that rocks. Got pinched.
not cold and congealed.
We're almost to the top.
This seems like an example of Pavlov's puck.
Windy up here. We're not to the top yet. A little bit more to go. I think if you're going on this hike, I think you can leave your walking stick at home or have some trekking poles that break down. It's helped me a few times with not slipping. It just became another thing I had to maneuver over the rocks or throw down off the rocks to pick up. I actually broke my compass off the top, but I think I might mount a place for a camera up there instead. I wonder if this might be the top. From the looks of the hill, I think we're near the top. When you're on the trail, just when you think you're at the top, you're looking at the next ridge that you gotta traverse or climb over. I don't think we're at the top yet. Top over there? Certainly a long ways up. Now, I was just saying how just when you think you're at the top, you're not. Or at least to the destination, what's called Old Rag. The pinnacle of Old Rag. Whew, you wonder if you ever make it to the top. Just keeps going and going and going. Elevation's 3291. Nice resting spot up here. Windy, very windy. I've got this filter on this camera, try to block some of that wind, but I'm not sure how it's helping. Shelter from the wind?
Yeah, that's like a wind tunnel.
All got our lunch, refueled, ready to go.
What's that?
You're excited about this trip down, aren't you?
Cold right now. That's more excited about going down than coming up.
More excited about going home. Coming up.
I have to go home, but
I need to look before I go down. How fast those clouds are moving. Do you want a picture up here, Blade, before we go? So heading down off the mountain now. So I believe this is about 5 miles down, and it's going to be much easier than going up. But just to give you an idea of what it looks like starting to go down, we'll record some of this for you as well.
I don't want number. The bird's nest. Going through the bird.
That certainly works out your thighs, climbing down all these rocks. There's a lot of them too. So far it looks like it's about the same. Most of this trail back down is just a lot of these boulders that we're climbing over as we're going down. But somewhere up here I think we join up with a trail, a fire trail. That's, I would assume, is going to be much smoother. It's starting to get really windy out here. I know we have some rain coming in later. Looks like we got a shelter down here. I think that's one of the other day shelters. Got a privy over there. A little shelter down here. We'll check it out. So here we found the Old Rag shelter. Right here. Nice place for a fire. I just felt a raindrop. We might be donning some rain gear here soon. Still got quite a ways to go. I bet we got at least 3 miles more to go. But this might be the fire road, which means that it's no longer going to be really bumpy. All those big chunk rocks we're stepping over. Yeah, this is it. So you see how smooth this is. So we'll see. Let's walk this all the way back down now. Notice I got my hat on tight because my wind was blowing my hat off back there. That crosswind coming through this pretty strong. That's where we're coming down from. Up there and up there. Back on this nice easy trail. As they say, all downhill from here. Looks like that rain I was a little concerned with isn't coming in right now, which is good. Have a chance to get down to our cars before it starts raining.
No. It's pretty good for a day hike.
Yeah, it's a pretty good day hike. Scrambling through those rocks on your knees and slipping. Some teamwork going on. Well, this access road seems to be a pretty long walk. Of course, we knew that it's over 5 miles. So I think I'll just use this opportunity to wrap up the video and say to you that it was a good hike. It was a lot of fun, right, Blade?
Yeah.
Challenging getting through those rocks with the pack.
Yeah.
A lot of those, you definitely helpful to have some teamwork. Dry rocks would have been helpful. And I would recommend to not bring walking sticks. I think they got in the way. And a small pack if you want to pack light. We just pulled these packs. We just ended up pulling all our gear out that we typically go hiking with and pulled everything out we don't need for today and just took the packs with us. Today was a beautiful day for this time of year. It wasn't raining, is what I'm saying. It would have been a much nicer day if the sun would have been shining. We could have seen some really good views from up on that mountain. Right now I'm walking beside this stream. Check this out. It's kind of a cool walk. Walking along this stream here. Kind of neat. Be a fun place to go do some camping back there. Possibly sometime, and see if you can find some crawdads in this stream. So that wraps it up for today. Hopefully you got a good idea of what to expect when hiking Old Rag and what the terrain looks like. And just want to say thanks for joining us, and remember to subscribe and like for more information and adventures like this. So thank you, and go out and enjoy everything outdoors.